Bakit andito yung mga sasakyan?
Pag nagka-high-tech, minsan pumapasok sa flow, first flow.
Bahay.
Oo, bahay. Hindi na rin siya parang bahay, parang mga ganyan na rin yung mga opera houses. Parang
Hindi na rin siya function.
Parang
Huwag magkalbalain ang katahimikan. At itaganan mo ang hiwagang dihon. At mapapakinggan ang tinig ng isang salteryo. Ito may ako rin inaawitan ka.
Looking towards the Manila Bay, he requested the firing squad commander to shoot him facing the firing squad, but was ordered to turn his back against the squad of Filipino soldiers of the Spanish Army.